So the concept of farm to fork is the idea that what you do in animal production has an impact on the human health. So if you want to preserve human health, you really have to work on animal health, and that's the whole idea. It brings more health to the animals, which is important. It brings more welfare to the animals, which is also very important. But it also brings more health to humans, so it's a win-win for everybody.
So farm to fork means that we grow healthy animals in a hygienic environment, so on the farm level. So it means cleaning and disinfection of the buildings, water treatment, animal hygiene, personal hygiene for visitors that come on the farm. Then along the chain, transport hygiene is really important as well to prevent the transmission of diseases and pathogens, of course. And if we take care of all these parts, then we can go to a food-safe product at the end of the chain.
Farm to fork is like a whole concept that is bringing in all the experience that we can do for prevention of diseases on the farm and how this can translate to the consumer of animal products. So it means that if we work on the farm by doing prevention or biosecurity, that really translating safer food for the people that live on our planet.
So everything starts with the animals, right? The healthier the animal, the better outcome from production and processing. And then you carry on with the same philosophy and the same strategy until you reach to the end consumer. This is where the farm to fork strategy is all about, is getting healthier food, safe food for consumers. And this is the whole concept of why Sid Lines, an Ecolab company, is critical to farm to fork strategy.
Farm to fork is a rather old concept, I would say, with a renewed interest. So the farm to fork is basically you follow the feed that you eat from the place that it was produced to where it was the processing of it, and then follow it more to the distribution centers, and then go later, of course, to the consumer. And then hoping that if everything goes fine, you will have asserted its qualitative and characteristics so that it's healthy, and of course it's at the demand of the consumer. Going over the new, let's say the renewed interest of it, now we tie farm to fork approach with sustainability.